Hello, mic test, mic test. Ay, di man dahil ni microphone. So, ready na siya guys pang TikTok.
What's up, Chanaks?
What is up mga Chanaks? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Yes, that's right. And then for this video, we will do a unboxing. Luro eh. Awkward pa bitaw ko gamay pero okay, fine. I'll get the hang of it. Anyway, so I will do an unboxing vlog for this episode and I'm very excited. Pero wait lang. Huling ko doon siguro ko siya. Wait lang. And so this is my room. 250 ra ang 3 hours. De joke lang. Anyway, so going back dito. Today in this vlog mag-unbox ko sa pa-premium ako na dawat from my fellow YouTuber, from my fellow non-stop YouTuber, si GeeYooLee. So, ang akong ODI nga ako i-unbox is my very own ring light. Ayan! Sealed pa dun siya gikan sa pag-deliver. Nakadaog ko ani last week. It was very unexpected as well because actually late na ko nisulod sa ilang live stream. So, murag ang ako naabtan is ang last na nga pa-raffle nila, which is this one. Alright? So, you guys go visit them. I'll be dropping the YouTube channel po ni GeeYooLee para maka-appeal ka sa future nila ng mga pa-giveaways and pa-live stream nila. Okay? Let's go! Okay, so guys, nauman ako tangtang sa photos and then ang sulod niya, it comes with the tripod. So na siya tripod na so it looks very sturdy in fairness in sa actual pod, it looks very sturdy na siya ma-extend din siya pataas and then ang stand ano expandable. Ato ni siyang i-assemble later. And then, of course, ang ring light mismo. So, isold siya ani nga box. Ring fill light. Okay. So, I'm going to open it now. Hold on. Carefully, I hope lang, no, kay karon pa man ako na siya na-update. I really hope na wala ni siya buak or damage or whatever. I hope so. So what's inside is, hold on. Na siya para mount sa cellphone. Kanipod pang adjust. Hold on. May pakita niyo. Ayan. And then ang ring light. I think pila mo siya kasi I'm not exactly sure. Naikubo lang. But, so guys, mauna ni siya ang ring light na to. So, set up na to. Saan din eh? Case, gahit case siya. Sa amin. Mando ko maglupa. Bawa na ko. So, kailangan siya push. Alright, bawa na ko guys. Kailangan rin siya i-push para mo pikad. Okay. siya para USB nga isaksak na to. Okay. Ang ring light mismo. Okay. So, I think mauna ni siya ang iyang setup. Atong i-try turn on. Wait lang. Whoa! Wala ni? Off. On? Off. On na. Oh! Guys, tanawan ninyo. Okay, so white light siya. Kani warm. Yeah, warmer pa dun. So on ya, off. So, awa guys, difference kung mag-use to all. This is my face kung natural light lang. Indoor lang siya nga lights, no ring light at all. And yung ring light na to, kita ang mga sumpa. Okay, ready, set. Siya. Yellow na siya, yellow light. Ito dagi, hayag pa dyan maayo. Warm. White light. Oh, medyo more siya blue, no? And then warm lang. Warmer. Oh, nice siya, no? Na-ignorante ko. Wow. So, what do you think? Mega love shout out to Non-Stop YouTubers family. So, naanagin ang ring light na ayuda galing kay Mayora. Sure. So, ready na siya pang TikTok. Okay, so guys, nang managid ta finally og-unbox sa atong ring light sa paayuda ni Mayor. Thank you so much to GeeYooLee. Mega love shout out sa iyo. Mega love shout out to my non-stop YouTuber family, to President Joby, and to all of the members. So that ends our unboxing vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Oops. Before I go, since na naman the ring light, how about a sample TikTok for all of you? Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.